By the end of this video, you will have had your first real conversation with AI. Not theoretically. Actually, I'm going to walk you through it on my screen, and I want you to do it alongside me. If you've never opened up one of these tools, today's the day. And I promise you, it's going to be easier than you think. Hi, I'm Chris, and this is Second Act with AI. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm going to open an AI tool on my screen, and I'm going to type a prompt. And what do I mean by a prompt? Well, a prompt is just the thing you type. Your question, your request, that's all it is. It's a fancy word for the thing you type in the box. I'm going to use Claude for this walkthrough because it's the tool I use most. But if you took my AI tool navigator quiz and got matched to ChatGPT or Perplexity or Gemini, everything I'm about to show you works basically the same way. A text box, you type, it responds. Ready? Let's do this. Step 1. Open your web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you use, and go to Claude.ai. That's CLAUDE.ai. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll see a sign up button. Click that. You can sign up with your email address or your Google account. Either one, it's free. If you already have an account, then just sign in. And now you're here. This is it. See this box at the bottom? This is where you type. That's the whole interface. Pretty simple, pretty easy peasy. So here's what I want you to type. And I mean, actually type this right now if you have your computer or phone nearby. I want you to do it with me. Hi, I'm 62 years old, and I've never used AI before. I'm curious, but a little nervous. Can you introduce yourself and tell me what you can help me with? Keep it simple and warm. And now I'm going to hit enter. Look at that. Just look at that. It's talking to me in full sentences in a warm, friendly way. It's not a list of links. It's not a search result. It's a response to me based on what I told it. And notice something. I told it I was nervous, and look how it responded to that. It didn't ignore it. It acknowledged it. That's one of the things that surprised me most about AI. It actually pays attention to what you say. Now, did you do it? Did you try it? If you did, you just had your first AI conversation. That's it. That's the moment. It happened? Okay. If you didn't try it yet, pause this video and go do it. I'll wait right here. So now I want to show you something important. This isn't just a one question thing. You can keep going. You can have a whole conversation. Now watch this. I'm going to type, I love cooking, but I'm getting bored with my usual recipes. I have chicken, rice, and some vegetables in the fridge. Can you suggest something I haven't tried before? Nothing too complicated. See what it did? It didn't just give me a recipe, it gave me options. It considered that I said nothing too complicated. It remembered I said I was bored with my usual stuff. It's building on the conversation. And here's the key. I can keep going. I can say, that second one sounds good, but I don't like mushrooms. Can you adjust it? It adjusted, just like a real person would. You're not starting over. You're having a conversation. And the more you tell it, the better it gets. This is what I mean when I say AI is a conversation, not a search engine. You talk to it, it listens. You refine, it adapts back and forth. like two people sitting at a kitchen table figuring something out together. So before I let you go, 3 quick tips that are going to make your AI conversation so much better right from the start. Tip number 1, tell it about yourself. The more context you give, the better the AI answers get. Don't just say, give me a recipe. Say, I'm 65, I live alone, I'm watching my sodium, and I have 30 minutes to cook. See the difference? That's what I call context engineering. It's the single biggest thing that separates a bad AI result from a great one. Tip number 2, talk to it like a person. You don't need to use special commands or code words. Just talk. Hey, can you help me with something? Works perfectly. Be specific, be conversational, and be yourself. Tip number 3, don't be afraid to push back. If AI gives you something you don't like, say so. That's not quite what I meant. Can you try again? Or make it shorter? Or that sounds too formal. Can you make it sound like me? AI is not fragile. You won't hurt its feelings. And it gets better every time you redirect it. Give context. Talk like a person. Push back when you need to. That's it. Now, you just had your first AI conversation, or your second, or maybe your 10th by now because you got excited and kept going. And that's exactly what's supposed to happen. Next video, I'm going to show you all 4 of the major AI tools and help you understand which one is best for what. Because they're not all the same. They each have strengths, and knowing which one to reach for is going to save you a lot of time. Now, if you haven't taken the AI Tool Navigator quiz yet, now's a perfect time. It takes 2 minutes, and it matches you to your best starting tool. Links in the description below. So here's what I'd love for you to do. If anything I just said may have made you feel something, even a little spark, or maybe I could do this, subscribe, hit that button. You're going to want to be here for what's coming. All right, my friends, take care. Bye-bye.